So this is an example of recycling metals in Sri Lanka. Is this your business or your business? Yeah. He has a balance there, and each time you are buying something, you pay the people. Yeah. How much do you give? Kilo ekai? How much? 60. At 1 kilo iron. 60. That is 20 cents. Quite a good price for. So what did you get today? This iron. Hey, this in Sinhalese, how do you call this? Sinhalese nama? This one. This metal, Gambi, no? Milan Kambi. So this is from construction sites. He's taking that one, so it will actually not be left in the ground. That's good. And here, what did he find here? Some aluminum, huh? Aluminum. This from the tuk-tuk recycled, huh? Tuk-tuk part? This tuk-tuk, no? This from the tuk-tuk, huh? King. Some decoration. What is this one? Water pump?
Water pump.
Water pump metal. So there's this plastic, no? This aftercut. And here one iron piece he found.
Yeah.
Look at his vehicle. It's really also like close to junk, but it's still in use. And there you find a very nice Singer sieving machine. That was the pride of some lady for years. But she must have been getting a better job abroad, maybe. So she's sieving on a more modern machine. Who knows? That's a handle of typical Sri Lankan shovel, you know. I will make one day a special about that shovel. I don't know who's producing them, but they're a little bit weak. They are not. I never saw a strong shovel as I see in Europe, in Sri Lanka. After. Pass. My friend also I speak. So what else did you find? That's just the bag. And down there, what is very interesting. So this is a professional in the metal recycling. He's so good to open his bag for us again. Oh, very rich finds. I see. That's good stuff in there. Copper no. Copper today. Copper no. Copper no. Copper. Today no copper.
Fan.
Ceiling fan.
Yeah, ceiling fan. That's aluminum. So that will stay. Who knows where's the metal going after? This metal now going to where? Where is he selling? Erg is selling where? No. You this one after business? Go ahead. Colombo. Gala have a main. This Muslim place there. Muslim place. And then from Gala going to Sri Lanka or going to abroad? This Colombo going. Colombo going after China? Everything going to China. With a big boat, yeah? Big boat. Okay, so Sri Lanka is most probably not processing the scrap. There are other places who do that for less money maybe. And it's just returning to Sri Lanka reconditioned in something completely new. New items. So that is his balance. This balance, how many years you already use? Why is it this one?
Kilo.
100 kilo. I mean, you need to hold up 100. He's attaching it to a chain probably. And this one, why is it 1 year?
1 year.
How much did you buy for this one? Price?
Yeah, American balance.
But where pocket balance it's written. Where did you buy this one? Hardware shop එක. This one. Where do you buy?
100.
UPI 1,000. 1,500 rupee invested in this balance, which is the key item of his business. And this one you buy a Gala hardware shop. 1,500. That's about let's say $8, and then you can run a recycling business. Or still you need to know how much value and recognize the metals. So he's doing this every day. Hey, you every day going morning time start. What time you start? Morning time you going job? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. And evening time finish, වෙලාව කියන්නේ?
By 2 o'clock.
Afternoon. 2 p.m.
Hey,
2 p.m. 2 p.m. නිවාඩු යා.
ඔය යනවා යා.
දෙකවනට ඉවරයි කියන්නේ.
හා?
දෙකවනට ඉවරයි.
යා මෙහෙම ඇවිත් කරන්නේ.
Okay, bring to the every day bring to Gala or one time in the week? Tea bona?
යා.
Hari.
උන්නට ඉවරයි.
Okay, my dear. Godak is tutti. Very good. Business good? Hondai? Many people came at it. That's nice for you. Yeah, this in Europe also good business. But many people very smart understand that they can sell. So this competition is maybe a little bit more. Godak is tutti, huh? Now he's packing his little vehicle. So he's doing going, and there we go. There's a full load of goodbye, Stuti. Oh my goodness, accident. Okay, he was doing this to show basically. There he goes.